Welcome, sir. My name is Utkarsh and I am in section A. My roll number is 193182. Here in this video, I'm going to explain 4 questions you gave in the assignment. Here are these 4 questions. So let us start with the first one. The first question is design a 4-link mechanism to coordinate the following 3 positions of the Kepler point. The position are given with respect to the coordinate axis. R1 is equals to 55 millimeter, R2 is equals to 70 millimeter, R3 is equals to 75 millimeter. Alpha 1 is equals to 75 degree, alpha 2 is equals to 50 degree, and alpha 3 is equals to 40 degree using path generation technique of synthesis. The angular displacement of the input links are 30 degree and the 70 degree. So here's the solution of the first question. First, we have to locate the 3 coupler point E1, E2 and E3 as per the question. Then we have to select the suitable point for pivot A. Then we have to rotate A1, E2 30 degrees counterclockwise so that we can get E2 dash, E2 dash, and similarly we have to rotate A1, E3 70 degrees counterclockwise so that we can get E3 dash. Now we have to draw we have to join E1 and E2 dash and E1 and E3 dash. Then we have to draw mid normals of E1 and E2 dash and E1 and E3 dash and let them intersect at B1. Now we have to draw the uh, input links A1 B2 and A1 B3 by rotating in clockwise direction B1 with respect to A1. 30 degrees and 70 degrees respectively so that we can get B2 and B3. Now now we have to select the location of D1 pivot of the fixed link such that E2, B2 and D1 is congruent to E1, B1 and D2. And similarly we have to draw again a third point D3 such that E3, B3, D1 and E1, B1 and uh, D3 are congruent triangles. Uh, so here we get D2 and D3. Now we have to draw the mid normals of D1, D2 and D2, D3 and let them intersect at a point C. Here we get the required mechanism A1, B1, C1 and D1. So the next question is draw a 4-bar link mechanism to coordinate the 3 position of the input and the output links of the following angular displacement by the inversion method. Theta 12 is equals to 35 degree, theta 13 is equals to 80 degree, psi 1 is equals to 50 degree and psi 13 is equals to 80 degree by function generation inversion method. So here's the solution. First, we have to draw the line segment AT of a suitable length to represent the fixed link. Then we have to choose a suitable length of output link TC and a suitable location for C1. Then we have to locate C2 and C3 by rotating C1 about D 50 degrees and 80 degree respectively. So that we can get C2 and C3. Now we have to find C2 dash and C3 dash by rotating AC2 and AC3 with respect to A in counterclock direction. Uh, then we have to draw the mid normals of C1. Then we have to join C1 and C2 dash and similarly C1 and C3 dash. Then we have to draw the mid normals of C1 and C3 dash and C1 and C2 dash and let them intersect at a point B1. Then the required mechanism will be A, B1, C1 and D. So the third question is design a slider king mechanism to coordinate three positions of the input and of the slide of the following data by inversion method. Alpha theta 12 is equals to 30 degree, theta 13 is equals to 60 degree, s 12 is equals to 40 millimeter, and s 13 is equals to 96 millimeter. So here's the solution. First, we have to draw two parallel lines L1 and L2 20 millimeters apart. Here in this sketch, I have choose a scale of 1:2 so that the drawing can be uh, done in my sheet easily. So first we have to draw two parallel lines L1 and L2 20 millimeters apart. Then we have to take an arbitrary point A1 on the line L2. Then we have to draw the 3 points C1, C2 and C3 such that uh, uh, C1 and C2 is 40 millimeter apart and C1 and C3 is 96 millimeter apart. Then we have to rotate C2 point about A to an angle of 30 degree in counterclockwise direction to obtain C2 dash. And similarly, we have to rotate C3 about A in counterclock direction with an angle of 60 degree so that we can get C3 dash. Now we have to join C1 and C2 dash and C1 and C3 dash, and we have to draw their mid normals too and let them intersect at a point B. Then the required slider crank mechanism will be A, B1 and C1. So the fourth question is, let a rigid body be guided through the three prescribed position. It is required to design a four link mechanism of which the rigid body be a coupler. The three position of the rigid body may be chosen based on your assumption / requirement. So here's the solution of the fourth question. I have taken B1, B3, B2, B1, C1, B2, C2, and C1, C3, B3 and C3 uh, points arbitrarily. Then I have joined B1 and B2 and B2 and B3. Then we have to draw the mid normals of B1 and B2 and B2 and B3 and let them intersect at a point A. Similarly, we have to join C1 and C2, C2 and C3 and draw their mid normals too and let them intersect at a point D. So the required mechanism will be A, B1, C1, D or A, B2, C2, D and or A, B3, C3, D. So these were the four solutions of the given questions in the assignment. Thank you, sir.